Hey guys, Rachel CPR here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I turn my clip-in hair into a somewhat of a headband wig so I can use them as a protective style with all of my hair just put back and all together underneath. I will be using hair that I received from the Amazing Beauty Hair Company. I've used this hair before. This is some of my favorite hair that I use because the clip-ins really do last a very long time. The hair does not shed a lot. I get very small amounts of hair that ever come out. I have one set of hair. I think my first set of clip-ins I had from them, I've had for a little over 2 years, and the only thing I've had to do is tighten up one of the clips, and that's it. The hair is still very beautiful. They show you on cards that comes with your hair on how to take care of your hair, which basically you take care of it the way you would take care of your hair. You want to make sure you condition it and keep it hydrated, because it is human hair. And this hair is, oh, it's so pretty. I love the texture of it. I have shared this texture with you before. This is the 20 inches, and I am so happy that they reached out to me again because I really do love their hair. Their hair is beautiful. Each time that you get hair from them, you get a clip. I have these right here. I have a collection of these right here. I love them so much because they are the clips that actually hold the hair without putting too much tension on it. And you also get a comb for you to comb the hair out, and then you get replacement clips. So far I have not had to use the replacement clips, which I'm really happy about. Like I said, you get instructions on how to care for your hair. Okay, so all of that comes with each set of clips. There are 7 clips in each set. I use 2 sets of clips to do this hairdo. Normally, I have a larger head. I use 2 sets of clips. One set of clips is not enough for me to do a full hairdo, and so I always use 2 sets. There will definitely be a discount code down below for you if you would like to try this hair out. And I am again very thankful for this company sending this hair out to me because it really is beautiful hair, and I'm happy to be able to share something that I know for myself I would purchase because it is definitely a quality pack of hair. Okay, so with all of that said, I am going to share with you exactly how I apply my clips when I'm using my hair as a mock headband wig. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys. I use a wig cap to secure my hair, and this is also what I use to secure the clip-ins around my hairline. This makes it so that the clip-ins are extremely secure, but they are not pulling on my hair on my edges, not thinning out my hair. I absolutely love applying my clip-ins over a wig cap. It makes such a difference. You definitely have to use a mesh wig cap because anything else will not be able to secure the hair to your scalp. I am moving my twist around. I don't have braids. I have 4 big chunky twists. And when I am securing the clip-ins in between where the mesh cap is, it is being secured onto the base of my hair, but it is also being secured to the mesh cap at the same time. This makes it so secure that I think that I could sleep in these and not have a problem. Now, when I get to the middle of my hair, I don't put the clip-ins as close together because if I do that, I won't have enough, number one, for my entire hairdo, but it will also be very bulky in the wrong place. But at the base of my neck and at the top is where I try to concentrate the hair so that the middle can just be more flat and not so bulky. Once I get to the top of this unit that I'm creating, I secure the clip-ins right to the band of the wig cap. That makes it so that I get absolutely no breakage on my hairline. I certainly don't want to break up my hairline in order for me to protect it in this protective style. And so I just secure it right onto the wig cap, and it stays so nicely. It's amazing how much this makes a difference, but this wig cap is like a game changer for me. And then from there, you just put a headband on of your choice and you secure it. You can wear it up, you can wear it down. It's just very versatile, just the same way you would have a headband wig where maybe you do half up, half down. All of that is something doable with your clip-ins, and it just looks like it is a half wig. The other thing I like about using my clip-ins as a half wig is that I also don't have that band at the back of my nape at the nape of my neck that kind of has the Velcro on it that can pull a little bit when I put my hair up. I love the fact that that is missing with this. It's just secured onto the wig cap in the back as well. And you could see that it goes up into a ponytail just fine. And I'm really happy with it. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys.